When it comes to enhancing the look of your Sterling Heights home, first impressions are everything. Whether you're planning to sell, or simply want to make your property more visually appealing, the exterior of your home plays a significant role in how it's perceived. One of the most effective and transformative ways to boost your home's curb appeal is through a professional siding installation. New siding can completely change the look of your home while offering additional benefits that will enhance both the appearance and value of your property. Elevates aesthetic appeal. The right siding can make your home stand out in the neighborhood. A fresh, clean exterior can transform your house from ordinary to extraordinary. Modern siding options come in a variety of materials, textures, and colors, so you have a vast array of choices to complement your personal style and the overall architecture of your home. Whether you prefer the timeless appeal of vinyl, the classic beauty of wood, or the sleek finish of fiber cement, siding offers a great opportunity to tailor the exterior to your unique taste. In Sterling Heights, where homes vary from charming ranch style to contemporary designs, new siding can dramatically change the character of your home. For instance, switching from faded, weathered siding to a vibrant, new color can make your home feel fresher, more modern, and well-maintained, giving it a curb appeal boost that's sure to catch the eyes of your neighbors. Increases home value. One of the most practical reasons for siding installation is the increase in property value. When prospective buyers look at a home, the exterior is one of the first things they notice. Well-maintained and aesthetically pleasing siding tells them that the property has been cared for and is worth investing in. If you're thinking about selling your home in the near future, new siding can provide a significant return on investment. In Sterling Heights, where the real estate market is competitive, having a home that stands out with beautiful, well-chosen siding could mean the difference between getting an offer quickly or having your home linger on the market. Buyers are more likely to make an offer on a home that has great curb appeal, and attractive siding can give your property the edge it needs. Improves energy efficiency. While siding is primarily associated with aesthetics, it also has a functional role in protecting your home. Good siding helps insulate your home, keeping it warm in the winter and cool in the summer. This means you'll likely see a decrease in energy bills after installation. Whether you choose insulated vinyl, fiber cement, or wood with proper insulation, these materials can help regulate the temperature inside your home, providing comfort throughout the year. In a climate like Sterling Heights, where winters can be harsh and summers humid, investing in high-quality siding can make a noticeable difference in your energy consumption. This not only improves the comfort of your home but also helps the environment by reducing the energy needed for heating and cooling. Enhances durability and protection. Sterling Heights residents know how challenging the Michigan weather can be. Siding installation does more than improve the look of your home, it protects it from the elements. New siding provides an added layer of defense against wind, rain, snow, and sun damage, which can deteriorate your home's structure over time. High-quality siding materials are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. This added protection helps to maintain the structural integrity of your home, preventing issues like mold, mildew, and rot from affecting your home's foundation. This long-term protection not only keeps your home in good shape but also adds to its curb appeal by preventing unsightly damage like peeling paint, cracked siding, or visible decay. Low maintenance and long-term benefits. Many modern siding materials require very little upkeep, making them an excellent investment for homeowners looking for a hassle-free solution. For example, vinyl siding is known for being virtually maintenance-free. It doesn't require painting or sealing like wood does, and it resists fading and weathering, so it continues to look great year after year with minimal effort. Installing low-maintenance siding means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying your home's beautiful exterior. Whether you're busy with family, work, or just want to relax, knowing that your home's siding requires minimal care gives you peace of mind and more time to focus on what matters most. Boosts your home's overall appeal. From neighborhood block parties to quiet evening strolls, the exterior of your home is what people see first. Whether you're looking to impress visitors or just enjoy the view yourself, siding installation can make a lasting impression. By enhancing the beauty of your home's exterior, you create a welcoming and attractive environment that reflects the pride you take in your property. In conclusion, siding installation in Sterling Heights is a smart way to enhance your property's curb appeal while providing long-term benefits. It not only elevates the aesthetic appeal of your home but also increases its value, improves energy efficiency, offers protection from the elements, and reduces maintenance. With so many advantages, it's easy to see why siding is one of the best ways to improve both the look and functionality of your home. So, if you're looking to boost your home's curb appeal, consider new siding as a worthwhile investment for a beautiful, functional, and valuable property.